Here's the translation for the first exercise in chapter 6. Le fait, let me try that again. Le chat a fait des amis qui ne sont pas gentils. The cat, that's the subject, a fait, that's the past tense of faire, has made des amis, some friends, qui, who, ne sont pas gentils. The cat has made some friends who are not nice. So the qui is the subject of the verb that follows, referring to the friends. So the cat has made some friends who are not nice. Le chat que j'adore, the cat, que j'adore, so que, referring to the cat, is going to be the object of I adore, and so that could be the cat which I adore, or the cat whom I adore, or the cat that I adore. The cat whom I adore fait peur aux souris. So that's a faire peur à expression, means scares the mice. The cat that I adore scares the mice. Ils ont fait attention aux souris qui sont amies. So here we have ont faire, that's the past tense of faire. They is the subject, and it's the expression faire attention. So they paid attention to the mice qui sont amis, who are friends. They paid attention to the mice who are friends. Les souris qui font peur aux enfants font attention aux chats qui font de leur mieux pour les attraper. That's a lot of faire expressions. So we've got faire peur à, that means to scare the children. Faire attention à, to pay attention to the cats. And then we've got faire de leur mieux, to do one's best. So the mice who scare the children, that's what mice we're talking about. What do? Ils font attention. They pay attention to the cats. And what cats? Who are doing their best to trap them. So the mice who scare the children pay attention to the cats who do their best to catch them. Now, it's a little ambiguous on whether they're trying to catch the children or the mice, but knowing what we do about the existential nature of cats, they're most likely trying to trap the mice rather than the children. Le chat prétend qu'il fait beau. So here we have the cat claims that il fait beau. The cat claims that it's a beautiful day or that it's good weather.